The numerous health benefits associated with walking are truly remarkable. This physically active activity has been proven to not only improve cardiovascular health and circulation but also aid in weight management, stress reduction, and overall well-being. Walking can also contribute to improved cognitive function, as regular physical activity has been linked to increased levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein responsible for promoting brain health and cognitive function. Additionally, walking has been shown to help increase the production of endorphins, commonly known as the feel-good hormones, which contribute to a sense of happiness and relaxation. Furthermore, walking can positively impact mental health by reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. It acts as a natural form of therapy, offering an outlet for emotional release and stress relief. Through walking, individuals can also develop a sense of discipline and self-discipline, ultimately contributing to their long-term motivation and success. Other benefits from walking include improved physical fitness, increased energy levels, and enhanced physical endurance. Regular walking can help lower the risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Walking is also a cost-effective form of exercise, requiring minimal equipment and providing numerous health benefits without any significant expenses. In conclusion, walking is a powerful form of physical activity that offers numerous health benefits, including improved cognitive function, increased happiness and well-being, and even a potential reduction in chronic disease risk. Incorporating walking into a daily routine can promote overall health and create a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction.